guys, Amitabh Bachchan is probably one of the biggest stars this country has ever seen. And let's not forget, he is 77 years old. But that still doesn't stop him from being motivated, determined, committed and passionate about every character that he plays. Now, some time ago, Amitabh Bachchan had gotten to prosthetics for the film Pa, and he's done it again for the film Gulabo Sitabo. Recently, the makers of the film released behind-the-scenes footage of how Amitabh Bachchan transformed himself using prosthetics into the character, and it was a complete and total transformation. Man, it is just amazing as to how committed and how patient Amit Ji is, and how he will go to any lengths and extent to get into the skin of his character. Check it out.
After successfully collaborating with both Amit Ji and Ayushmann Khurrana in Piku and Vicky Donor respectively, Shoojit Sircar is all set to create magic by bringing together both his favorite stars in one film. The unusually titled Gulabo Sitabo, which tells the story of a quarreling tenant and landlord in Lucknow. While everyone was waiting to see Mr. Bachchan and Ayushmann dazzle us with their performances on the big screen, with the pandemic continuing and the lockdown getting extended multiple times, the producers of the film decided to release the film on an OTT platform in the hope of recovering costs and reducing their losses. Unlike earlier, जहां रिलीज के पहले actors used to do the rounds of multiple TV and radio stations and attend public events to promote their film, इस बार फिल्म के promotions भी सारे online हो रहे हैं, with the stars giving interviews to journalists on video calls, and the making of the film's characters has also been shared online to generate interest in the film. One of these promotional videos shows the transformation of Amitabh Bachchan into the old landlord Mirza. The director Shoojit Sircar and producer Ronnie Lahiri talk about how their intention was to present Mr. Bachchan in such a way that no one would realize immediately that it was the legendary actor. To bring their vision to life, Amit Ji used to spend 2 to 3 hours putting on prosthetics on his face, donning a prosthetic nose and a long beard that made him virtually unrecognizable. शुजीत और रॉनी वीडियो में बातें कर रहे हैं कि किस तरह बच्चन साहब 12 घंटे प्रोस्थेटिक्स में रहते थे, but with no complaints, and he brought Mirza to life with his dedication and sincerity. In a recent interview, Ayushmann also shared that Amit Ji not only knew his own lines, but he also knew Ayushmann's dialogues and what was happening in each scene. He was always thinking about the film as a whole instead of only his character. और यही उनका बड़प्पन भी है और सिनेमा के लिए उनका पैशन भी. Truly an actor and a star like him will only be seen once in our lifetimes, and we can't wait to see this quirky, unusual film at home very soon.